I know right now, it feels like everything is crumbling around you. The pain of losing someone you loved deeply is indescribable, and it's okay to feel heartbroken and uncertain. But in the midst of this storm, I want you to remember that this moment, painful as it is not the end of your story. It's okay to grieve and to feel all the emotions rushing through you. Healing takes time, and there is no set timeline. But each day, even if it feels impossible, is a step toward rebuilding yourself and rediscovering your strength. Your heart may be broken, but it is also resilient. The love you gave and received has shaped you in ways you might not even fully understand yet. And in time, you will see that you're capable of even more love for yourself, for others, and for the future that's waiting for you. Right now, focus on caring for yourself. Do the things that make you feel whole again, whether it's spending time with friends, exploring new hobbies, or simply allowing yourself the space to breathe. Trust that this pain will fade, and new opportunities, relationships, and happiness will come your way when the time is right. You are worthy of love, of peace, and of a future that lights up the world. The right person will recognize your strength, your heart, and all the beauty you hold within. But before that, take this time to fall back in love with yourself, because you are incredible just as you are. This heartbreak doesn't define you. Your resilience, kindness, and passion do. And with each new day, you will grow stronger. Take it one moment at a time, and know that brighter days are ahead. With love and encouragement, make sure to subscribe if you want more video.